Welcome back to Everything That Glitches. Anyway, in this video we're going to be covering smoke detectors. I know some of you are thinking like, what? Wait, smoke detectors? What does that have to do with drones? A lot. Because if you're like me and everything's glitched, I've even had batteries glitch. You want to have the right smoke detector in your house. And I do. I have really good, everything's according to code. Because in this case, we couldn't get, we weren't able to pass inspection without having the smoke detectors or to code. But whether you're not living up to code or whether you're up to code, me personally, I think that these are really good smoke detectors. It comes in as a pack of 1 or a pack of 2. It works on a 2.4 gigahertz, right? So what will happen is you will... I'll show you everything it comes with. All right, so this is a smoke detector. It's a Kidde. It says test weekly, but I don't see myself testing this thing weekly. And it has a 10-year battery life, which is great. It says right there. It's probably backwards for you because of the Apple glitch. And at first, it's a little bit intimidating because if you have an existing smoke detector, this will fit in there, which is great. You just have to take a screwdriver, right, and turn that on. Do I have a screwdriver? I mean, of all the things I have down here, this might do the trick, this little thing that I use for turning stuff. Maybe not. Yep. So what you're going to do is you turn it on. See? Voila. Permanently disable discharge alarm. I don't want to do that. All right, so I just leave it on. Just one turn. Right? Just one turn, that's it. And then, we use a knife, a screwdriver, or whatever. So at first it's a little bit intimidating because I'm thinking like, wow, will it fit in there? Will it fit in my current hole? And it does. So it comes with an extra plate that you can use, but it doesn't have any screws, which is a little bit disappointing. And then you basically could slip it into your existing connection, so you don't need to use this plate, and then it just turns right in. But if you have wires in there, you got to push the wires in and then sort of like push this in. This goes into your existing connection, and then everything just seems to work and flow, hopefully. And I was, like I said, I was a little bit intimidated at first because the reviews, everyone was saying that they had trouble connecting this. So you would scan the QR code, right, to set it up, and you'd also scan to add it. And I'll actually walk you guys through the process, okay? So this is the application here. See that little K next to SD, okay? And let me see if I can find it on my I was going to say desktop, but it's not really the desktop. You download it from the App Store or the Android Store. See, it says Kidde. And then I go there, I log in, right? You have to set up the account. After you set up the account, that part is really easy to do. And it says urgent because we had tested it. I'm going to add device. Okay, so what you do is you scan the code. All right. And then hopefully, you have to hold it a little further back. QR scan successful. And then now, I wonder if so that's it. So I just scanned the code. You guys saw that. I was like, what did they see? Okay, continue. AC hardware connection is important to power your device. We did. We turned it on. Required to connect to your device. Phillips screwdriver, step ladder. You might need a ladder. Wiring harness, wire nuts. Thankfully, I have everything because I'm pulling out an existing smoke detector. But I think there's a video of some woman doing it, and she's unscrewing it and showing you how to install it on their website, which is really cool. All right, so add a device, connect to AC power, which is, I guess, what we'll do now that we turned it on. After power to your house is turned off, that's okay, we don't have to do that. We're gonna attach the quick connector. So in this case, I already know what's there, and we don't have to shut the power off because we're not rewiring, right? If that makes any sense. Okay. So go up. So there it is. All right. See, and that's it. It's plugged in. Then you make sure your camera, in case you're redoing this video. So you get this.
Ready to connect.
Ready to connect.
Follow quick start instructions.
It's pretty loud. But don't remove this until after you've done cleaning or dusting your place because, otherwise the alarm might go off, or it'll be stuck, it'll be clogged with dust. Okay, continue. See, for me, I'm going to connect it to my existing Wi-Fi connection, because the existing Verizon router, from what I was told, that automatically can detect or create 2.4 gigahertz. But I have, if you see swag 2.4 guests, that's actually from another router that I have going on, that I had to create to connect the security system to the house is connected to the 2.4 gigahertz thing, which I thought Verizon would do the trick, but it didn't. All right, so I continue. So it detected it too on the application, which is great. I'm not disappointed by it, because, as you know, a lot of things tend to glitch on my channel. So I'm not ready yet. I'm going to call this one, we're going to call this basement, right? Basement. We won't put batteries because that'll freak my wife out.
Success. Now connected.
Oh, see, there you go. You get a little success thing, and I'll connect it. Call it basement. What do I call it? A studio. Yeah, there you go. Sounds nicer. Basement. 3 years to build this up. So remember, Rome wasn't built overnight. So you too can have the same thing, but just a little bit at a time, step by step. All right. Type of room. See, that's what I hate when it does that. I just told you it's the basement. Now it's like when you call support. You put in all your information, and then afterwards someone gets on the phone and say, "Hi, this is Raul. How may I help you?" Or like, I just followed all the prompts. I mean, like, I don't understand why you're wasting my time, and now I got to tell you everything again. All right. Ping alarm. All right, so this is we're going to ping alarm. Ping your alarm to confirm that your device is set up. I wonder if this one will go off. There's a battery in. Oh, it just pinged it. Wait. Oh, it's pinging up there. Cool. So it's pinging and it's flashing. If you guys can see that. Here. Flashing an orange light. See that? Pings, it flashes. So now I can just click cancel ping. Okay. So, it's Wi-Fi, so it's just... Now I can go to explore device. Click next. I don't really need a tutorial. Since in order to test it, you have to burn your house down. Just kidding. You have to light something up. Account. That's my dashboard. Let's see what happens if I get rid of that. Clear event, because we had an event recently. And so now, so I have two. I have one near the kitchen, and of course one down here. But now to put it to the test, right? We want to know if I wonder if this will go off because there's a battery in there. If this actually works, like if there's a signal that it actually sends. So I have to get something I can burn. So now, so I'm going to leave that screen open so that we can see. I'll move this smoke detector out of the way. Everything's going to get loud. Let me make sure I got the water, fire extinguisher. What else do I need? I don't know. That's it. If I forgot something, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. But by then it'll be too late. But who knows for other folks that are watching the video. So there's our fire, right? Let it burn a little bit, because I realized that for some reason it didn't work the first time. See, oh, there we go. Make the camera, make sure we're still live streaming. Hold on 1 second. And I believe you press this button to override it. But there we go. All right.
Previously detected.
So that's good. We get an alert, which is awesome.
This is very loud. Press now to cancel test.
All the other smoke detectors.
5, 4, 3.
Oh wait.
2. Test canceled.
Oh, so you get 5 seconds to cancel the test. Otherwise, all the alarms in the house will go off. So you get a ping notification, which is great. You should also get, a text, right? And your text messages, see? There you go. Smoke alarm at our house, which is great. So you get a text, and you'll also get an email. So let's say you don't have text, you're away and you're traveling somewhere. You get an email, so you get a text. Not text, you get an email. And so it says smoke detected, immediate action. Hopefully my wife doesn't call and be like, "What's going on? What are you doing?" "Oh, nothing. I'm just having a little science experiment in the basement." All right, so that's that, which is great. So we know it works. Don't be intimidated by the reviews, because I was at first. I was like, it's not working. And a lot of people said it wasn't working. But as you can see, it does work. And I would say it's a must-have if you're into FPV, or just if maybe you're not into FPV. And if you just want to, preventative is always cheaper than damage control. Because let's say I have my little Lepo bag, right, with my batteries in there, right? Oh, look at that. And I leave it open. I opened it today because I wanted to fly, but it's raining. You forget to close it, right? Or whatever it is. It's not pretty when these, if you've ever had one, it's not pretty. And I've had some in my time. Anyway, this was a short video. I hope to help you in making a better decision for your whether it's FPV or radio control car experience when trying to protect your home, your investment, and your family. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.